You wonder where I've been. Search to find love within. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank for you, and I can't. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day of your love. See, I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you want to do for love? You tried everything, but you want truth in my world. Only you make it good when I'm working. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day of your love.
What you gonna do? Yeah. When I can't let go. What you gonna do? Richie, my boy, what's good? Yeah. Chat, what's going on, man? How's everyone doing today? Terry, what's that? Terry, what's good, my boy? Was goody, was goody, was goody. Mm. Thanks, Trump. Tell me about it, Brody. Crazy. Yeah. That trade looked like I took that trade that I took yesterday night looked like it's doing well. You know. Little nice little beautiful setup. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, guys. Get to it. So remember, guys, I took this trade yesterday. I gave you guys an example of how my setup works, like, and what I was looking for. So this is a clear example of how I would assume my setup was, right? Price corrected itself, came below this level, then I went in for a trade right here. Little light macro lot size actually. I wasn't really too I wasn't too excited about this trade, but it was a setup that I saw at late night. You guys was there actually when I took it. And yeah, it's the same setup. But initially I would actually like price to actually come lower than this so I can, manage to slam it way more better than, 2000 micro loss size. And plus, depending on the time that I took it, it was a bit kind of late. So it is what it is. But anyway, you guys see the strategy, how the strategy was. You guys was here last night when I was teaching you how I trade. Let's move over here. How I trade, the type of trade that you should be looking for. Did I delete that? I had something around here somewhere. I think I deleted it. Well, you guys already know the type of way to trade now anyway. So the way I broke it down yesterday, the last time, and now, we're seeing this happening in real time. But also, you guys already know I don't trade on Friday, so I don't take no trades on Friday. So it's just not really part of my trading plans to take trades on Friday and Monday. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna do a quick technical analysis on Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, U30, and Palantir. Anyone that has any pair that you want me to do a technical analysis on, feel free to put it on the chat, and then we can check it out together. The market is closed right now, so it is what it is. We're gonna just be cruising right now, guys. It's gonna be a nice little cruise. You know what I mean? We're gonna cruise. Definitely we're gonna cruise. All right, let's move to Bitcoin first. See what's going on with Bitcoin. Oh, look at this massive drop. This is a massive drop. Jesus Christ. Wait, hold on. Let me check something out quickly. News outbreak was at 3 p.m. Okay, back on. This is a crazy drop though. I didn't even notice this drop. I was extremely busy today. Today's Friday. I'm usually so busy on Friday, guys. It's crazy. So I never had any time to actually look at the charts and see what's going on in the charts. But wow, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has come to a nice level for a lot of people to pick it up, which is dope. This is a nice little level to pick up Bitcoin from. Nice little buying level. Nice buying level over here, definitely. And 100,000% a nice buying level over here. So even around here in this sandwich area, Trump made some news. I know. And I'm gonna actually check it out. What news? I'm gonna check out what happened. Actually, I've been so busy today. I ain't had time to even look at the chart. The only time I was looking at the chart, I was actually seeing what's going on with gold is gold, because I never had I didn't get no notification of price dropping with gold because I entered that trade, right? And then I was just like, yo, what's going on? I ain't got no notification. I checked it and then it's just been looking all right. Actually, it was calm. But yeah, you think Trump was the reason for this drawdown? But anyway, so look, nice little buying level over here. This is a sandwich area over here for us to actually add some more funds into Bitcoin. I'm actually going to be putting more funds around this area anyway, because like this is a nice place to be getting in. Getting in, because I was telling you guys yesterday, like if price comes down to a nice buy level around 117 and 112k, it's a nice beautiful buying level, bro. Nice, beautiful buy level. Nice setup. Definitely around this sandwich area, you can definitely invest in money. 100,000%. Oh, look! Oh, look at! Oh, look at XRP though. I ain't even tripping when I see XRP like this right now though. But whoa, look at this! Wow, this is a mad drop though. This is a mad drop though. This is great opportunity as well to add some more money into it. But this is a mad ass drop. Oh my god, Richard, do you remember yesterday? Richard or Terry? I think Richard was here. Do you remember yesterday where I said that around this area, yeah, time to buy? Do you remember around this area over here? I said that. Let me move this up actually. Remember when I was saying yesterday, yeah, that this is a nice buying level, right? I was saying this is a nice buying level. Over here is a nice buy level, but don't ever get it twisted because there can possible. I'm stumbling my words because I'm excited to say it. Yeah, the chances are a liquidity sweep can sweep a lot of people that's going to be around here waiting for price to come to try to over leverage the trade. A bit like this over here, right? Where we had this nice buying level over here, and then we have this crazy downfall, taking a lot of people out the market, forcing a lot of people to just, close their trade, because I agreed, and then potentially making his way back up and creep it back up. I feel like this is the same scenario that's happening over here because I knew this was going to happen at some point because it was just too good to be true. Hold on. Lux is so confused. What is that? So I knew that around this area over here, yeah, I knew around this area over here was a nice buying position, but I knew at some point we're going to have a crazy liquidity sweep because I know a lot of people is going to look at the same pattern and say, okay, remember when I was saying it? And I was like, okay, some people are going to over leverage this area over here, and this potentially can happen, take a lot of people out the market, and then price can continue going upwards. XRP is beginning to have a pattern that we can all read, like literally, if this happens the third time, right? This is the first, this is the second time. And then if it's bullish and then it happens again, bro, we definitely can read XRP. That's a new language because I noticed that. And I remember I said that. You guys check my other live. I said that. And that's what's happening right now. And this is one of the reasons why I'll be telling people don't try to do day trade with crypto. It does not respect any market structure. And this is a clear example of what I mean when I say crypto doesn't respect market structure. That's why it's for long-term investment only. So all those people that try to over leverage their account and try to trade it and say, yeah, like price is going to come over here and bounce back and then go back up here. And they try to slam whatever, lot size they want to slam to try to, quickly snap it. I knew something like this was bound to happen soon. It happened here over there. Like you can see it. Like, look, you can see price come around this area. We had a lot of buyers pushing price up around this support area. And then boom, crazy correction, taking a lot of people out of the market, liquidity sweep, get some petty continuation upwards, and then blah, blah, blah. You get it? Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. But wow, this is a nice buying opportunity. I'm definitely going to be adding some more funds into this actually. You know what I mean? So that's actually a win-win. This is actually a win-win. But we see what happens. I actually think price is definitely going to bounce back from here and then make a continuation upwards. You know what I mean? Unknown, what's good, man? Welcome, welcome. All right, Ethereum, let's go. Oh! No! I'm not laughing. You guys know why I'm laughing, innit? You guys know why I'm laughing, innit? You guys know why I'm laughing. Yo, I wasn't I saying this? Wasn't I saying this? Wasn't I saying this? Richie, wasn't I saying this about Ethereum, bro? Where's my usual suspect at, actually? Where's all my usual suspect? Wow. I wasn't saying this about Ethereum, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. I wasn't saying this about Ethereum, bro. Bro, remember I was saying this, bro? I said, bro, nowhere in hell Ethereum is gonna go past 5K. Yeah. Nowhere in hell Ethereum was gonna go past 5K. I'm not buying it right now, no. I'm gonna buy Ethereum when Ethereum comes to 2526. I'm telling you, price is coming around this level over here. So we're gonna pick up price around 2526. I was telling you guys this, bro. I was telling everyone this. I was saying, yo, Ethereum's not breaking past no 5K. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, was I right. And bro, I'm not even trying to be one of those guys that saying, yo, like I'm right or I'm wrong, or yeah, I can see past the future. No, bro, I'm just looking at what price action is. I'm just seeing exactly what's happened in the past. Look at that. Look at guys, look at what's happened in the past with Ethereum. Look at what happened in the price in the past with Ethereum, you know? Getting a lot of people's hopes up, then bow, price drops. You know, hopefully price don't come to this level, but if it comes down to this level, what to do? But definitely we'll be picking up price from 2524, and definitely we'll be cashing in around, you know, 4.5 or 4K or something, and then get my ass out of that. I told you guys about Ethereum though. That's your buying zone as well. Yeah, I told you guys about Ethereum, and I was telling one of my mates about this, and he's one of those guys that bought Ethereum from like 2.5, you know. No, actually 15, 16. And I was telling him, I was just like, yo, bro, like stop like, you know, banking on Ethereum to break past 5K. Like you're in a position where you can take all your profit out right now. Take your profit out, bro. There's no point waiting. If you've purchased it from 16K or 15K, just take your profit out, bro. You know what I mean? No need to be greedy. It's already shown you that's the highest that it's going to. But some people want to just, you know, ride it, you know. But each to his own. But look at that. I'm telling you guys, Ethereum's going to drop down to at least like 2,400. Facts, 100%. And I'm going to pick it up around that. I am going to pick it up around 2,400, bro. Trust me. I'm going to pick it up around that side. Yeah, of course. Most of them. But this is what I'm saying, yeah? Most of them are down right now. But Bitcoin, XRP, they're all going to rise. Ethereum is going to continue dropping. Just by the structure of how the market looks right now, it's definitely going to continue dropping. Just look at the structure. It makes more sense for people to think to themselves, you know what? We're going to go shorts. People are going to go shorts on Ethereum more than people are more likely going to go for shorts of Ethereum than go for shorts of XRP and Bitcoin. Because the first thing you said was, it's time to buy. Time to buy. That's what Richard said. First thing Richard said was time to buy. People are not going to have that same energy with Ethereum. Time to buy Ethereum, because they know that it's more than likely going to come down lower. Do you know what I mean? But wow, look at that though. Let's go on the line chart and look at that. Look at that, man. Come on, man, guys. You seeing what I'm seeing though? You not seeing what I'm seeing? You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that with Ethereum. Look at the structure of Ethereum. And one of the reasons why I even marked the bottom over here, around here, this over here, right here, on a day time frame. This is I'm on a day time frame, guys, right? With Ethereum. Those that's new that's coming to a chart. Busted that support. Trust me, broke past that support around here. And then look at over here. These area over here where price initially broke past this high. This was a break of structure. You feel me? Made a new high over here, come down here, correcting itself, came back down here, broke past the structure, and around here is a strong area zone of buys around here. But it's given a downtrend right now. That's what it's giving a downtrend, because it's breaking past this structure over here, right here. So listen, You know what? Let me flip the screen around. Actually, let's have a look. Let's all analyze this chart properly and see what the fuck's going on. Excuse my French. I flipped the screen around, guys. So look at this. Have a look at this high over here. Now that I flipped the screen around, look at this. How that's broken past this. This is still a break or structure over here. Right? Crazy correction, breaking people out of here. Notice price stopped around this area over here. And then boom. So are you trying to tell me that price is not going to come to this level? You know, price always goes to where it goes to before. Those that know. So yeah, man, get ready, guys. You guys start putting your limit order around this level over here, because you know Ethereum's going to definitely come to this level over here, 2,500, 1,000%, 1,000%. I'm sorry for all those people that's hoping the best of Ethereum. I know how it goes. I'm like that with XRP. You know. Oh, look at this. Oh, god damn. God damn. Look at that. Look at XRP right now. God damn. Look at that. Yo, when did that just happen? Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa, what the fuck's this? Whoa. Whoa. Guys, look at what's going on with XRP right now. This is actually live. Look at this. Look how far XRP just came down right now, guys. Whoa. Whoa, nice buying level right now. This is a nice buying level for a lot of people to want to get in right now. Bro, look at where XRP is coming. XRP has come back to this level over here where there's a lot of buyers. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Whoa, it's still going. It's still going. What is going on today? Guys, what is going on today? Collapse. Wow. What is going on today? Talk about a liquidity sweep. Talk about a liquidity sweep. Look at this. Wait, let me even check I want to check my wallet. Let me check my wallet. Let me see what's on. Whoa! Hey, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at XRP. This is crazy right now. We're going to have to pay attention to this right now. We're going to have to pay attention to this right now. How down is this going to come to? How far down is this going to come to? Whoa, 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 whoa. Just before let me look at Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bitcoin as well. Let me check. Oh, look at Ethereum as well. Wow. Could it be XRP dropping all the way to that? I doubt it though. Someone said sell. Stop chasing price, man. Don't get scared when you see this, man. Price is gonna go back up. This is just you have smart money trying to push price down the lowest, and it's gonna creep back up. Someone say, let's see gold. Don't worry about gold. Gold is closed right now. It's closed right now. We're gonna get to gold. We're gonna focus on what's going on here together, guys. Yeah, gold. The market is closed right now, guys. But you guys don't panic. Don't panic. This is gonna make a lot of people panic. You get me? This is gonna make a lot of people panic. No need to panic. Just remember, around this area over here, guys, we have strong buyers around this area. Price is not gonna drop and close around this area over here. We have 2 hours and 37 minutes left to this candlestick close on the day time frame. So you guys don't panic, mate. gonna make a lot of people rich, trust me. This is beautiful right now. We're gonna see something crazy happen right now, you know. I can feel it. There's a lot of movement happening right now, guys. There's a lot of battling right now. And mind you, this is a day time frame. Day time frame. This is not 4 hours time frame. Let's actually look at the 4 hours time frame and see what the fuck going on. This is a 4 hours time frame. Richard said Black Friday sales. How long it took me for me to be profitable? That's a good question. Last year. I was one like majority of you guys losing money, bro, for free. Chasing price. Hey, but guys, I love watching shit like this, you know. This is crazy, you know, because this is a crazy move. This is a crazy move. Like, you know, and this shows when you see things like this, yeah. I had someone saying that chat, oh, sell, 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 because they're gonna see this, yeah. Those that sell are gonna lose money because you're chasing price. If you sell, you're gonna lose money. This is actually a good opportunity to start buying because this is around this level. Around this level, there's a lot of buyers around this level. Hence the reason why you see them battling that. This is yo, this is crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is crazy. This is crazy. But we're gonna see something. Something magical can happen, man. And this is on a day time frame as well. Wow. You're gonna put 5K in there now. I hear you, bro. D. I hear you, bro. I hear you, bro. I definitely hear you on that one. This is a great opportunity, though. That's how I know. That's how I know Richard is locked in. Richard already knows. This is actually a amazing opportunity right now. This is how the rich get rich. Because when you find opportunities like this, you got to take full advantage. Look at that. Richard, this is a day. This is a day candlestick. You know, that's bouncing like this. Like this is a day candlestick that's bouncing like this. It's crazy right now, bro. It's crazy, 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 crazy. This is a day candlestick right now. Look at that. Look at that, though, guys. Though this is crazy. What's going on? This is the first time I've ever seen something like this. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is the first time I've actually seen something like this on a day candlestick where it's just moving crazy. You got to remember the whole market is closed. The market is closed right now. Only crypto is moving crazy. Wait, hold on. Let me come back here. Let me see what's going on with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin doing the same shit. Bitcoin is steady, and it's only XRP that's thugging it out like this. I told you lot about XRP, baby. Told you lot about XRP, bro. XRP is thugging it out, man. Told you guys about XRP, man. Yeah, BTC is dropping, isn't it? But XRP is the only one that's actually performing, actually beefing it out right now. Have you noticed? Yeah, facts. XRP is the only one that's doing this, guys. Like look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just dropping. Just it's not even moving. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is just dropping, not even moving. But XRP is the only one that's fugging it out. That's not allowing it to go any lower. That says a lot, right? That says a lot, right? Doesn't that say a lot, chat? Yo, let me check my Palantir stock actually. Let me see what's going on with Palantir. All right, good buying opportunity with Palantir. I was telling you guys, wait for the gap to get covered at over here with Palantir, and it's looking like the gap is getting filled in right now. So that's good. So this is a nice little buying level over here for a lot of people that missed this opportunity. Get your ass in here. Let's get back to XRP, and I'm gonna chop it up with that one after. See what's going on over here with XRP, man. Let's see what's happening here. Is it getting in a short? You're gonna get in this. You're not getting. You're gonna get on a short. Actually, get on a short. Let me know how that goes for you, bro. Let me know how that goes, bro. Go for a short. Come back to the live and let us know how that went, bro. Let us know how that went, bro. Guys, when you see the market moving crazy like this, man, don't be too quick to put your money in there. Just chill. Let everything marinate, man. We've got 2 hours left to this madness finish. This chaos finish. This is a crazy liquidity sweep right now. A lot of people try to leverage it. A lot of people are losing money right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. A lot of people are really losing some money right now. You know what I mean? People losing some money right now, man. Just let it go. Trust me. Let it be. You say, let's see the 1 minute time frame. Bruh. What do you mean, bro? No time for 1 minute time frame right now, bro. We gotta stay on the day time frame, bro. I see this shit is jumping. Bro, what the? Christian, I don't know what Duddy's on, bro. What are you smoking on, bro? What are you smoking on, my boy? What's he smoking on, bro? Man said, let's see the 1 minute time frame. Bruh. Terry, did you hear that? Bro said 1 minute time frame, bro. Hey, look at this. Hey, you see what I mean about XRP, bro? I'm young, blacker. Hey, stop playing. See what I mean about XRP? You just done it. Done. Richard is not playing. Quick 5 racks real quickly. Bow. Stop playing with my boy Richard, man. He ain't playing that. Did you get bang on where you needed to get it to? Did you get it for $2? That shit was moving erratic. Come on, man. Stop playing with XRP, man. XRP is the only fucking pair that's performing. I keep telling people, stop playing. Stop playing with XRP. Stop playing with XRP, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop playing, bro. No one's trying to make XRP drop. I was talking to crypto. What's his name again? Crypto saved me. I was telling crypto saved me. I was just like, yo, bro, like, no way XRP is gonna drop past $2, bro. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. It's not going down there. Not going down there. Trust me, there's too much big corporation that's invested in XRP to be bullish. You know what I mean? Levels. Richard, you said you slap it at $2. My boy. Come on, bro. More money for you, bro. More money for you, bro. FX, what you telling me, bro? My boy FX is in the building. Usual suspect.
I got my usual suspect.
Wow. FX in the building. Come on, man. FX, what you telling me, my bro? Hey, come on, man. That shit is fire. I saw that as well. I saw that. That pullback is fiery, boy. Opportunity for a lot of people. You know what I mean? Richard just went ham right now. Richard just put like 5K on XRP. Got it for $2. Stop playing. Cashed in. And you know we're about to be bullish soon as well. Just by looking at the structure. This is just like a quick little... I was telling you guys the last time about XRP, like usually does a crazy liquidity sweep once, you know, there's a lot of buyers over here. Like what happened over here. But this one was crazy. This one's crazy to the fact that it's gone all the way past down here. It's taken so many people out of the market. And this is why I was telling you guys, if you guys do remember and you pull up to my live stream, I was telling you guys, when you see me do technical analysis on any crypto, I am not talking for day traders. I'm only talking for long-term investors, because if you're trying to day trade crypto, it does not respect any market structure. And this is a clear example of me telling you that. It's broken past this, broke past this. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. What are we saying here? What are we saying here? This is the longest technical analysis I've done on XRP on a live stream. I just love what's going on right now. And this is on a day time frame. This is on a day candlestick. We're not even looking at 4 hours. We're looking at day candlestick. 28.5 discount. Come on. My boy. Oh. 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 Amazing. Well done, Richard. Well done, bro. Well done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bro, don't you guys think this is crazy movement right now? 1.5K, stop playing. Ooh. Stop playing. A quick bag five. Come on, Richard, man. Big up yourself, bro, D. I love the way you move, my guy. Trust me. I love it. Quick five. Ooh, did you not see that? You guys saw that? Did you not see that? Yo, did you guys see when it just went above the level of $2.72 real quick and came back down? You not see that? Wait, let me see. Let me see Ethereum quickly. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. See what's going on with Bitcoin. You mean to tell me XRP is the only one that's moving crazy like that? You saw that, innit? Come on, man. Come on, man. You see that again? It did that again. Hey, Richie, you're gonna cash in, my boy. You're gonna cash in, bro. Trust me. You're gonna cash in, bro. Real talks. Let me check my broker's account quickly. Whoa, whoa. Fred 16, what's going on, my boy? Welcome to the live stream, bro. Thanks for pulling up. Appreciate you. Welcome, bro. Welcome to the club. Daily Joe, big up yourself, bro. Welcome, bro. Also, welcome to the club, bro. Big up yourself. Did I take a trade yesterday? Yeah, I took a trade yesterday. Still, the trade went all right. It's good still. Can't complain. My normal setup. Don't fail to disappoint. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys seeing that? Oh, oh. Stop playing, man. XRP just changed coin ranking. Is it? I'm telling you, bro, listen, look. It's when you think about it, yeah. Even look, there's nice opportunity for buyers on Bitcoin right now. Beautiful opportunity for anyone that wants to get into a buying position. Bitcoin is going to offer you that opportunity right now. I told you guys over here, nice buying level with Bitcoin. I told you guys also with Ethereum is going to drop because Ethereum is the only one that's not performing the more than the other crypto. And I also said when I was talking to a fella the last time, I was like, XRP is not going to drop. No way in hell. No way in hell. You get me? No way in hell it's going to drop. You remember, like, there's people coming on my live stream saying, "Go for a short. Go for a short. It's time to take a short." go for a short with XRP. Guys, chat, don't listen to them lot, bro. Fuck around and leave some bread. Stay in the winning side, man. Follow the trend. Follow the trend. This is a day time frame, bro. I'm moving crazy like this on the day time frame. Follow the trend. Poof. The man there that loves to chase price, go for a sell. Don't listen to them lot, man, that pull up on the chat talking nonsense, man. Stay on the winning side, bro. Stay on the winning side. What a show today, bro. Today is a beautiful show. What a nice live stream, We'll have something to actually look at, even though the market is closed. And we have something to look at before before Saturday. So this is an amazing live stream. I'm enjoying this live stream right now, We're all interested in the same thing. And that's getting paid. Yo, I appreciate all you guys on my live stream as well. We've got over like 20 people on here, man. I appreciate all the 20 eyeballs that's on this live stream right now. You say you're up 500. Stop playing. What? My boys, stop playing with Richie, bro. 500 in the space of 5 minutes. It wasn't even 5 minutes, bro. Was that 5 minutes? 505 minutes. Richie. Hey, Richie, we telling you 5 bills in 5 minutes. Hey, Brody. Stop playing with him. Come on, Brody. Stop playing with him. The W in the chat for Richard, bro. 5 bills in 5 minutes, my boy. Hey, they go to work for like a whole week to make 5 bills, bro. Hey, yo. Come on, man. Sniper. Hey, Richard, you should change your name to Sniper Richard, bro. Trust me. Sniper. I'm gonna start calling you Sniper. I was start calling you Sniper. Trust me, bro. I'll be like, yo, Sniper. You know, like that. Bro, anyway, the way it looks here, yeah, Richard is a G. Sniper's a G. Trust me. Hey, where's Mo at, man? Where's Mo? Trust me, bro. W. W for sniper. Bro, you made this money, bro. What are you talking about? I just pulled up and you pulled up, so you made the money. We both pulled up. That's light. There's gonna be more money we're gonna make in the future, so it's light. You know, like that. You know what was crazy? Yeah, when I was doing the usual technical analysis, right? I left XRP like floating around like I think it was below. I think it was like, where was it, bro? I left it around like $2.44, and I went to Ethereum. I think someone came on the live stream saying something, and then I was like, oh yeah, like I went to XRP, bro. No word of a lie, bro. It was all the way down here. It was all the way down here, out of nowhere, just here, like just floating here. You get me? And Richard just took the opportunity and said, yo, bro, I'm going for a buy right now. Fuck the long thing, bro. And then look at where price is right now. Look where price is floating right now. Nice buying level. This is buying level. For you lot that's missing out, especially Terry, I was telling you the other day, this is one of the reasons why I told you to go and invest in XRP until you get that position. Like, remember this position? I was telling you until price comes down to this level. Where is it? With gold. Which one? Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Remember last night when I entered for this and I was telling you, yeah, like this is the type of setup you should be looking for. While your money's in the crypto, you just go for a trade like that. Remember? Yeah. This is one of the reasons why I told you to put your money. Look at that in a 1 hour time frame, guys. Look at this in a 1 hour time frame. Look at that in a XRP in a 1 hour time frame. Look at this. Look at this. You got the same buy as well, Christian. Yeah. So you know about that strategy. You can't go wrong with supply and demand. Supply and demand is the most easiest strategy ever, bro. We was battering some guy yesterday. He was talking shit. He was like, "Oh yeah, that's not the way to trade." Blah blah blah. Just try shit, man. Look at this. Look at this in the 4 hours time frame, guys. Like, look at this crazy wicks. Look at this crazy wicks, guys. 4 hours time frame. Look at this crazy wicks. Look at this in a 4 hours time frame. Coming down to, bro, I'm telling you, Zelo, bro, what? What is that Wix? I'm telling you, bro. This is XRP. Look at this. Crazy Wix, bro. 4 hours time frame, Rich. Sniper, 4 hours. XRP, XRP. Look at that. Crazy ass Wix. Coming back up to this buying level over here where buyers already camping, pushing price up. Buyers around over here pushing price up. Price is coming up to this level over here. We have 2 hours left to this candlestick closes on a 4 hours time frame. Have a look at how it looks in the day time frame, bro. Look at this crazy, disgusting wicks, guys. Like, even let me go to the line chart. Look how it looks back in the line chart. Look at the line chart. Look at this. Because when you go into the line chart, you're not gonna see no more wicks. Look at this in the line chart, guys. Look at this. Look at the structure. Buying level over here. Look at this. Look at this disgusting wicks over here. And then you're gonna have bare people going for a short position and getting kicked out the market because they're chasing price. Yeah, some people are saying this, because of Donald Trump and whatnot. If what do you say? If Ethereum soon, bro, Ethereum's gonna drop, bro. Ethereum's gonna drop, my bro. Don't bank on Ethereum or even like XRP, bro. They're not on the same wave class, bro. Ethereum and XRP is not in the same wave class, bro. Hey guys, it's Friday today, you know. That's how I know you guys are like me, you know. Friday, everyone's on the chart at Friday. On my live stream on Friday on the charts. No one's trying to party, no one's outside, everyone's out here trying to get paid. I love you guys for that still. Mo is here, guys. You're gonna live long, brother. Mo, look what's going on with XRP, brother. Big up Mo, bro. Mo, pull up to the chat. Usual suspect. Big up my usual suspect. Wow. Yeah, we're good, man. We're good. You see what's going on with XRP? Look at this crazy wicks. Look at this crazy wicks, Mo. XRP. Salvation, what's going on, man? Welcome to the live stream, bro. Welcome. Welcome to the club, bro. Welcome to the club. Welcome. Big up yourself for pulling up to the live stream. Appreciate you. Yeah, Mo, you look at this crazy wicks, Mo, bro. Trust me, bro. What a drop. Crazy drop. Richie picked it up from I think Richie, what did you pick it up from? I think Richie picked it up from 218 or something like that. Where did Richie pick this up from? Richie picked it up for cheap. 218. Two. Shit. Oh. 2. Stop playing. Hey, W in the chat for Richard though. What are you talking about, man? That was a win. That was a quick lick. Richard, now we just need this to go above the level of $2.49 and stay there and just creep his way back up and start creating highs. You get me? You see me? Trust me, man. That was a nice lick. That's such a nice lick that I'm even stuck on XRP instead of going. I don't even want to look at nothing else. Bro, just leave it in there, man. Leave it in there. Trust me. Leave it in there. Leave it in there. Great opportunity. Also, guys, we've got a great opportunity with Palantir for anyone that's missed out on Palantir. The market's currently closed right now, but just keep your eyes open on Monday. Right? Monday. We usually have a nice crazy jump on Monday. But I was talking to you guys about this gap in the market with Palantir, and we have this gap that's been filled now. So let me even turn the gap into green. Just to let you guys know, the gap has been filled in now. So this is a nice buying level for you to invest in Palantir. Nice buying level, right? Screenshot it. It's over here. Palantir. This is the stock. Go on trading 212. And yeah, man, remind yourself on Monday when Monday comes, get into here. This is a nice level for you to buy. Hold your money. This gap has been covered. Or if you want to wait for a little bit for price to come below here and creep back up, like the normal strategy that I use when I'm trading gold, you can. But if you're going for a long hold, position, then I don't see why would you want to waste time. So yeah, Palantir is on a nice buying level over here, guys. Yeah, and plus the market is closed as well. The market is closed as well, and yeah, is it? Come on, Brody. Well done, Richard, bro. Beautiful lick. Beautiful lick. A lot of people can learn from Richard and how he trades and how he gets in, how he snap his entry, his trade. So that was an amazing lick. That was an amazing lick. 750 up. Congratulations, bro. People work like 2 weeks just to get 750. Or a week. He made it in a day, in a stream. and Richie made 750 in a stream. Terry said, "Where you at, bro?" In a stream. In a stream. Look at the valuableness of this stream. Richard made 750 in a stream. That's that's when you say bring in value. Saw the opportunity, took the opportunity. 750 rich, which is amazing. Amazing. You get me? So you guys is actually new to my stream. Thanks for you guys, I appreciate you guys eyeballs. You get me? I appreciate you guys actually on the stream right now. You could be anywhere, bro. You can actually be watching something. You could be watching TV. You could be in another person's stream just watching something, but you're in the trading lab. So appreciate you guys for that. I'm gonna clap for you guys for that. I'm gonna applaud you guys for that. I really genuinely appreciate it. Now sometimes I'll be having like a busy day, right? And I'll come to the office, do some work here in the office, and I'll go do what I got to do with clients and whatnot, do some family stuff. But one of the most favorite part of even coming to the office is actually coming on live and checking on you guys. So yeah, man, appreciate you guys, man, for real, for real. Yeah. For real, for real, for real. We got some new subscribers. Oh shit, we went up to 100 subscribers. What? 40 subscribers that quick? Wow, that's dope. That is dope. We got an hour and 58 minutes left. This day candlestick closes. Wow. Yo, when I see price at this level, bro, I don't mind, bro, because it's just the cheaper the better. The cheaper the better. Terry, my boy, how's your week though, man? How's your week, bro? This is how it looks in the 15 minutes time frame. This is how it looks in the 15-minute time frame. This is how the structure looks in the 15 minutes time frame. See how it looks in a 1 hour time frame, 45 minutes time frame, 4 hours time frame, day time frame. This is XRP, bro. XRP. Mm, it's depending where, I wouldn't say it's not on a downtrend. Yeah, it's on a semi-downtrend, but overall, it's an uptrend. You look at it closely, you know what I mean? On a 1 week time frame, when you look at it in a 1 week time frame, it's an uptrend, my brother. You look at everything in a 1 week time frame, this is an uptrend. So depending on you saying 1 minute, bro. Come on, bro. You said don't buy. Bro, price is clearing on a downtrend. Don't buy. Nah, buy, bro. If you got the capitals there, buy, bro. What do you mean don't buy? Of course buy, bro. 100% buy. What? You think you're gonna get it this cheap, bro? You can't be serious, bro. Don't buy. What? Do you know how much this is an opportunity for you to take, bro? He said, "Don't buy. If you don't buy now, then when, G? Citizen, tell us when." Look at how it looks in a 1 week time frame. This isn't a 1 week time frame, mind you. This is destruction on a 1 week time frame. Citizen. You know what? Just by the way XRP is looking right now. Wait, let me see something. Oh, I might have to change the live stream title to live XRP analysis. Yeah, bro, I've seen it, bro. Like, of course, you're gonna see a downtrend because obviously this is a day time frame, bro. But you gotta remember, this is the news that's done this. You know what I mean? Look at the wicks. Have a look at the wicks, citizen. Look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. Gone a 4 hours time frame. We're still in the hour or 4 hours time frame. Citizen, they say you're trying to buy price at $10, bro. Don't have it. The people them in the chat are saying you're trying to buy at $10, bro. Hey, P boy, what's up, Brody? What's up, my little bro? Big up P boy in the chat. P boy, we saying, my Brody. Hey, we've got some new people on this chat as well. Hello to the new people that's on the chat. Appreciate you guys. P boy, what's up, my boy? What's Nine saying, man? What's the weather saying? Is it still a bit chilly out there? Oh, you know what I want to ask you? You might know about this kid. He's a streamer, right? His name is I don't know, Pillar or something like that, or Pella or something like that. Apparently, he was on a live stream outside and something happened to him. Is that true or was that a stitch? Do you know who I'm talking about? Yeah, okay, you know what I'm talking about. Apparently, he was on a live stream, yeah, and then something happened to him on the live stream, and people are saying he's been kidnapped. No one knows where he's at. Has he been found yet? I'm just concerned. Just want to know. What's up, babes?
Which filter do you like better? That one
Yeah.
or that one?
Which one? Let me see.
That one or that one?
How come you didn't like? Was it to make it look like some type of
it's
cinematic?
the filter, yeah. That one?
Just the normal one is better, you know.
No, trust me, it'll be crispy.
That means you gotta make all of them like that.
No, it'll be fine. It's quick.
You trying to see again?
That's the combo.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Look. Hey, psst, let go.
Sorry, so that's one.
Yeah.
That's both of them together,
Yeah.
and then that one on its own. I'm thinking both together.
Yeah, both of them together look like a cinematic kind of thing.
Yeah,
Thing.
it's
Yeah.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's gonna take more.
10 seconds. It should take 10 seconds.
But it's gonna take long to load though.
No.
Oh, you're doing it at the end.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The end bit. I know. Why is it moving so crazy like that? Oi! Why are you moving so crazy like that? Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, what was I saying? What was I saying though? What was I saying? Oh yeah, that's it, P-boy, yeah. It's false news. Okay. Let's get back to the money, man. I saw that on my feed. I was like, what's going on? Yeah, this is XRP. Pillar. Yeah, that's his name. Pillar. All right. Yeah, let's get back to it. So, P-boy, quick one there. Did you take any trade this week? How did it go this week? Did you stick to your trading plan, bro? So you're trying to. What are you finding hard? Okay. I mean, that's cool, though. That's cool. What currency pair are you talking about, though? Yeah, bro. Which currency pair are you talking about? If you're finding it easy in some currency pair, why don't you stick to the currency pair for now? You don't have to trade. You don't have to trade gold if it's not working out for you in gold. Okay, yeah. British pound USD. Why don't you just stick with that? If that's working for you, why don't you just stick to that until you just be profitable at that? You don't have to come to gold. You know what I mean? I used to love trading that pair the first time I started though, but it's a bit too slow for me, man. Yeah, 100%, bro. Smart way of thinking, bro. I'm proud of you on that one there still. And then when the time is right, then you can come to the gold side. That's smart. At least that's the first time you've actually said something that you know, that will actually make sense in what position you're in right now. You get me? So well done, bro. Well done. That's a step, bro. So yeah, so that was good news, bro. That's good news, bro. That's a good news to hear, bro. I'm happy I heard that from you, bro. My boy P boy. Yeah. Grow man thing. Well done, bro. Um, yeah, bro. Bro, I'm just glad you're listening, bro. And just, you know what I mean, taking action, bro. That's actually dope, man. That's superb, man. Proud of you for that one there still. We come a long way. We came a long way. We came a long way. Um, Citizen, what are you saying, bro? I didn't even get what you're saying. You said if you trade in session time, it has volume. Not all the time, bro. Sometimes you can take trade that there's no volume in the market, depending on what the next session is going to be, and then if you see your setup, just take it, innit? You know what I mean? I saw my setup yesterday. It was at late night. I was on a live stream actually, and I saw that. I just took the trade. Get me? Jeez, guys locked in. Down with D and G. Yeah. But yeah, you can take trades like that's not like in session sometimes. But obviously, risk management is on point. If you see your setup and you feel like, all right, cool, this is my setup. This is the type of setup I like taking. I don't see why you're gonna not take the trade. I was actually speaking on that yesterday as well, Citizen, about sometimes some people like to trade in session all the time, force their trade on that. But Citizen, you're new. Big up yourself though, bro. Appreciate you for pulling up to the live chat as well. I forgot to even say that. Big up yourself for even pulling up to the live chat. A lot of people don't really like, I don't know, typing on the chat sometimes, but appreciate you, bro. So now I know who you are. Next time I see you, your usual suspect. You feel me? Welcome aboard, bro. Welcome aboard, bro. All right, cool. So let me have a look at XRP's kind of slowed down. This is the longest technical analysis that I've done. Let's have a look at U30. Oh my god, U30. Oh my god. U30. What? All right. I was talking about, I don't know if you guys remember, yeah. I was just like, with US 30, I was just like, it's been blessing a lot of people lately. And I was just thinking to myself, I know this blessing over here, right over here, wasn't gonna last forever. I was thinking, look, the high, the low, the high, the low, the high, the low, the high, the low. And eventually, we got this crazy move over here that reminds me of this over here, right? Because I was thinking to myself, I know this move ain't gonna be lasting forever with US 30, right? So you see how this crazy correction happened, you know what I mean? The high and the low. So there's so much great opportunities as well for next week as well, guys. So much great opportunities for next week. But remember, guys, I already said like next week, when next week Monday comes, I don't trade on Monday. So, you know, because with Monday, I want to see exactly what's going on in the market before I make any move. But when I'm looking at this chart right now, just looking at US 30, this is actually a great opportunity right now. Great setup. Different buy levels. Buy level number one, buy level number two. You feel what I'm saying? There's so much buy levels over here with US 30. So to my US 30 heads, this is actually a good look. I know some people probably lost some money. I know some people lost some money. Don't get it twisted. But you make your money back. As long as you was trading in a responsible way, you make your money back. But sometimes, when you don't trade with SLs, that's what I was telling some of you guys. Like the reason when I'm trading with no stop loss, my risk management is going to be on point. I'm not going to take stupid lot size. You feel me? But when I'm taking a lot size position, then I'm definitely going to use a stop loss, 100,000%, 100,000%. So some people that don't use stop loss, I know they're going to lose a lot of money, crazy money, and that's just part of the game. You feel me? But US 30 is this is actually a beautiful opportunity. Richard, you was there when we were speaking about US 30. The stairs to heaven it was creating. Now look at this. Bow. We see where it stops from. See where it's going to continue from. Actually, I want to actually have a look at something. There's crazy dips that it can happen still. Potentially, dips like this can happen. Dips like this can happen. But we see what happens in it. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Just look at that. Only time will tell. Wonderful is the world of it, bro. Trust me. Only time will tell. Rich is for real. Rich is for real. Guys, I'm gonna leave it on XRP right now. Just keep your eyes on XRP, while I'm streaming. I'll leave it on XRP. Big bank rolls. You say, bro, this setup is correct. What setup? Susan, what setup are you talking about? We got some new traders up in here. New traders up in there. You new traders? Any new traders? Swear that. Yeah, let me give you my broker's account. I'm gonna put it. Hold on. Bear with me, bro. I'm gonna pin it to the top for you. The brokers, they locked off their account because they know what's going on in the market. They don't want no one to eat. These beaky brokers. That's why I was surprised when Richie was gonna take that trade because the volume in the market was crazy. I'm surprised you even got it for that cheap, Because sometimes the spread will be crazy high. Putin says a Nobel Prize. There you go, bro. I'm gonna pin this broker to the top as well for you, bro. And whoever that's interested in it. So I use 24K market, but the only thing with 24K market, they wait, what did I just do? Oh shit, sorry. But the only thing with 24K market, when you're trading, you're gonna trade with trading locker. So you might have to download the trading locker app. That's what I use to take the bookings. No problemo, bro. We all here to work together, bro. Don't say a word, bro. Yeah, I know the spread was gonna be crazy. He was aiming for 1.8 and it gave you 2.02. Thought so. Did you do that in Coinbase or what? What broker did you use that on? Tasty. Elite profit. Schultz was tasty. Did you catch that one there? Pete, you gotta just whenever you see price coming to your your entry point, just put your limit order. Remember I was telling you about the limit order? And bro, check this here. I'm gonna make sure I do release a video for new beginner traders. I'm gonna do a standard content video for you guys. I'm gonna make it easy. I'm not gonna talk too much about the charts. I'm just gonna talk about the first thing that you need to know when you're trading, exactly what you need to know first, and then after that, next week, I'm probably gonna try to drop like one video a week on my channel, just to break it down for some of you guys that might find it hard to understand what's going on my live streams, especially when we're looking at charts and we're trying to find out entry points. Because I know this might just be, it might be that some people might look at the charts, all they see is lines, and they might not understand it. But I'm gonna do a video for you guys so it makes it way more easy for you lot, bro. So whenever you pull up to the live stream, you know exactly what we're looking at, what we're looking for, what we're trying to do, and what, you know what I mean? Just keep it simple. And I probably might talk about limit orders as well. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about limit orders as well. So how to set your limit orders and whatnot. Just little things, little basic things, so you know what's going on. No, because I noticed we've got like 50% of people in here that's new. So for you guys that's new, I have something for you. I'm gonna chop it up, try to make it so easy so you can understand. Because you know my motto is to keep it simple. So I'm gonna make sure that when I break it down to you guys, I'm gonna keep it simple so you guys can understand what's going on when we're in a live stream. So you're not lost. When we're talking, it doesn't sound like we're talking a different language. You can understand it. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. I'll make sure I do that for you guys anyway. No stress. No stress, man. Yeah, then if you don't if you're not gonna use the limit order, just put your alarm on, innit? Put your trend line and put your alarm on, bro. You sure? But you know, remember I told you you gotta subscribe to TradingView to get those features. And if you know you're gonna be in the market and this is a long term thing, you should really be subscribed to TradingView so you can be able to use the features, bro. So you don't have to be waiting and staring at the screen, like, you know what I mean? Just staring at the screen, waiting. Just put your put your alarm on the trend line. Get it? Make it easy for yourself, bro. You know you gotta spend money to make money, P. Richard, you say you spent 7K on crypto today. Stop playing. What? What? Rich. Stop playing, bro. Come on. Elite Profs, big up yourself for pulling up to the live stream, though. Appreciate you. I think this is the first time I've ever seen you still, so appreciate you for pulling up. Did you catch that? Yeah, legit. Got it before 10. New York session. Held that and caught that short. You caught that short? Oh my God. No, wait. Let me see that shit. You caught that shit? New York session? Yeah, Richard is the big boss right now. Richard just be splashing, bro. Come on, man. Richard is a dinosaur, bro, so he's supposed to have all that capital to expose, you know? Richard, tell him you're a dinosaur, bro. You know, Richard's been a dinosaur, bro. He's a dinosaur, you know? Hey, Elite, what did you say? You caught it from where? Let me see. Oh, shit. You caught it from 10 o'clock. Oh shit, you caught it from that. Yeah, you cashed in, bro. You definitely cashed in. And that's US 30, bro. You cashed in, my boy. You cashed in, bro. You caught it from right here, bro. Wait, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Where you cashed it from? Wait, 10 minutes? You said 10 o'clock. Oh, I see. Bro, how did you catch that though? How did you like, what did you, bro? Hey, Elite, how did you do that, bro? What did you do that on? You did that on 15 minutes time frame or something? Did you wait for it to come around that support? Huh? Richard said T-Rex. Hey, Elite. No, that is phenomenal. That's phenomenal. Cause I was actually saying this. Um, that's phenomenal, bro. I was saying this yesterday. I was showing people about supply and demand. We have sellers that pushes the price down. So the gentleman, Elite Profit, caught this beautiful trade right over here where sellers are pushing price down. Caught this, and cashed in all the way down here. You know what I mean? All the way down there, bro. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. You deserve this one, bro. Congratulations, my boy. Yeah. Wow. Stop playing, man. That was a beautiful trade, my boy. That was. You deserve that, my boy. You deserve that one there. Still, that was nice. That was perfect timing. That was like just, yeah. Not every day you can catch a trade like that. That was an amazing trade, bro. Beautiful trade. Right over here where the sellers over here camping, caught that bow. Amazing, 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 amazing. 100%, we're definitely gonna recover, bro. Especially XRP is gonna recover, bro. Right now, XRP is dancing. That's the reason why I got it on the chart right now, just watching it. I should really change the title to XRP analysis. The way everything's looking right now with XRP. CG, sorry, excuse me. CG, big up yourself as well, bro, for pulling up to live. We're gonna recover, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. Guys, I'm gonna rock it with you guys for the next 10 minutes, man. I'm really enjoying this live stream. But I gotta go spend time with the family, you know what I mean? See what's going on with the family, see what they're up to. By Tuesday, 100% is gonna correct. Some people are gonna try to go shorts on Monday. Respect, my boy, CG. Respect. Some people are gonna try to go shorts on Monday, and it's gonna take them out of the market because they're gonna try to have the same mindset of this week, next week, Monday, and then they're gonna get finessed. And then us lot that knows exactly what's going on in the market, we're gonna eat as always. You know what I mean? With gold as well, quickly before I duck out with gold as well. I reckon gold is definitely gonna fall as well, 100%. Gold is a beautiful safe haven right now, but I definitely know that gold is definitely gonna sell. I mean, it's gonna drop. I have a feeling with it. That's the reason why when I went for that trade, it was a light trade because I know I wasn't gonna take a trade on Friday, but I know it's gonna drop 100%. It's 100% gonna drop, but we see what happens in it. When next week come, I don't trade on Monday, guys. So when next week come, we're gonna see exactly what's gonna happen. But hey, this live stream has actually been a cool live stream. We've seen XRP do some crazy dance steps on a day time frame. Right? We've seen XRP done a crazy dance step. You know, You say you've been holding gold from 2008. Whew. 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 Boy is rich. All right. Guys, today's Friday. Of course, you guys enjoy the weekend. You're not gonna see me here tomorrow. I'm gonna be back here on. I'm gonna be back here on Monday, probably roughly the same time, probably night time. And yeah, we go again. I was gonna ask him that. But I was just like, you know what? He probably. I was gonna ask him that because to be holding gold from 2008, you probably paying some fees as you go along because gold ain't cheap. You know what I mean? Because gold's not just like crypto and all the rest of the other stocks. Gold, you gotta pay. Like, but if it's a position worth paying for, oh, physical gold. Okay, that makes sense. I was gonna ask you that, but I was so tired, bro. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna come off live stream. If I see you next week, then I was definitely gonna ask you that. You get me? But alright then, guys. What we saying, bro? We're gonna lock off the live. Richie, my boy. Come on, broski. Terry, big up yourself. PJ, big up yourself. Mo, big up yourself. FX, big up yourself. All my new heads that's pulled up as well to the live stream as well. Big up yourself as well. I appreciate all of you lot. You feel me? P-Boy, of course. Big up yourself as well, bro. You know what I mean? Hamid, you're new. Welcome to the live stream, bro. Big up yourself as well. And I'm going to see you lot next week. You guys stay blessed. Peace. Bow. Let me finish up with the GTA song. I ain't done that in a minute.